We're going to see a cold snap for a week here. This is called payback. This is what happens in fall. Currently, wind chills from Yonkers through Hempstead into Hoboken and Harlem, low 20s to the mid 30s. Low 20s to the mid 30s. Hello, Canada. Got a north wind. Canada, that's bringing that cold air down this way. Not only is it bringing it down this way, it's bringing it towards the Midwest. You see the snow. This is the first snowstorm out in the Midwest. And then there's warm air down south. Both are heading here. We will see snow north of us and then rain south and over the city. This is by 5, 6 o'clock. I said yesterday, if you want to be safe and not have to, have any problems with the roads today, take public transportation tomorrow. And this is today, and I'm saying the same thing because there could be some heavy downpours here with some good lift. Whenever you have cold air rushing into warm air, you normally get some strong updrafts and downdrafts and heavy downpours, and that's possible all the way through 10 o'clock. Snow is north and west. They've got a winter weather advisory north and west of the city. But for everybody that can see me or hear me for the most part, we're going to only see rain because the dew point, you can still see snowflakes even if the temperature is above freezing if you have a dew point temperature of 32 or less. And yesterday it was showing that. Today, no. It's saying it's going to be above 32, so we're going to see rain, it looks like. Story number 2, payback time. And last weekend, we've been running so warm because of tapping into that warmth down south. That's not happening today. It is not. We are tapping into those temperatures in the teens here up in Canada, and that is bringing the cold air over us. Now, we'll warm up a bit today with a southerly flow later this afternoon. And that will hold on. This isn't Friday. This is tomorrow. That'll hold on for tomorrow. Well, that just went right by. But tomorrow we'll have a little bit of warmth in the 50s. And then the cold snap really starts. This is all discombobulated, but we'll fix that. What I'm telling you is after tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, we have wind chills in the teens. In the teens possible by Monday morning. Today, 47, falling temperatures tomorrow, and then we're off to the races on the cold snap. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right in time for the weekend. The average wind chill in the morning will be in the mid-20s, and the afternoon wind chills will be in the mid-30s. And it gets even colder on Monday, it looks like.